the remainder when 29 to the power 29 into 29 is divided by 9 is what? So the topic for this question will again be number theory. Topic is number theory, and here I'm going to use modular arithmetic to solve this question. Now, to understand what modular arithmetic is, I would suggest you to go through the videos of this topic where I've explained what modular arithmetic is and what the properties are. So just to brief you about it, so when I write A is congruent to B mod M, then this means that M divides A minus B, right? Also, there is a property that is A to the power M will be congruent to B to the power M mod M. Also, there is a property that when this is true, at that time you can add or subtract any multiple of M with this and it remains the same. So using this property, let's try using these properties, let's try to solve this question. So we have 29 to the power 29 into 29 is divided by 9. Then what is the remainder? So first of all, 29 is congruent to 2 mod 9. I hope this is clear to everyone, because 29 minus 2 is 27 and 27 is divisible by 9. 9 into 3 is 27. Now we want to find out, then 29 to the power 29 will be congruent to 2 to the power 29 mod 9. Now we need to break this down to something which is familiar. So for that, we know that 2 to the power 1 will be congruent to 2 mod 9. Then 2 square will be congruent to 4 mod 9. 2 cube is congruent to 8 mod 9. Now using this property, I can subtract a 9 from here, from 8. So I can write 2 cube is congruent to 8 minus 9, that is minus 1 mod 9, right? Now 2 cube, if I take the power of 9 to this, then I will have minus 1 to the power 9 mod 9. So what I am going to have over here is 2 to the power 27 is congruent to minus 1 mod 9. So I am having 2 to the power 29 is congruent to minus another 2 square, basically mod 9, or 2 to the power 29 is congruent to minus 4 mod 9, or again this can be written as 2 to the power 9 is congruent to plus 5 mod 9. Hence I can write over here that 29 to the power 29 is congruent to 5 mod 9. Now this 29 to the power 29 is again used to the power 29, so I need to find out 5 to the power 29 mod 29, how much is this. For this I am going to repeat this same process with 5. So for that let me clear out this area. Alright, so we are going to repeat these steps. So we know 5 to the power 1 will be congruent to 5 mod 9. Then we have 5 square is congruent to 7 mod 9. And we are going to have 5 cube, that is 125, is congruent to what mod 9. So when we divide 125 by 9, we see the remainder comes out to be 8. So it will be 8 mod 9. So this can be written as 5 cube congruent to minus 1 mod 9. So 5 cube to the power 9 is congruent to minus 1 to the power 9 mod 9. I can write this. So I have 5 to the power 27 is congruent to minus 1 mod 9. So if I add 5 to the power 27 times 5 square will be congruent to minus 5 square mod 9. So 5 to the power 29 is congruent to minus 25 mod 9. So 5 to the power 29 is congruent to minus 25. I can do plus 27, which is a multiple of 9. So what I'm going to get over here is 2 mod 9. So here 29 to the power 29 to the power 29 will be congruent to 2 mod 9. Hence the remainder to this quotient is going to be 2.